Okay, today we are doing word formation, and today word formation is going to be a kind of detailed, like we're going to be doing it in a way that the initials of every word is usually 2 or 3, at most 4. Okay, so today we're going to work basically with 2 and 3, and this is what I meant by initials. The 2 or 3 letters that starts a word are the initials. So now, for example, I have BA on the board, which we know as ba, the ba sound. If you have been following me, you should know that we have been through with this. We have done this, okay? We did it and we noted it down because I made mention that we're going to be making references to those later combinations. So today we are still going to make reference to them to form words. There are no words in English language that is not constructed out of the 26 alphabets of English language. All the letters, all the words in English are from the 26 letters of English language. So we have BA on the board, and this is going to be my initial for this word I want to form now. And hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by today, and if you're seeing me for the first time, hi, welcome to the classroom. Welcome to Adult Education with Enetina, and please don't forget to subscribe. We do tutorials like this on this class, on this channel, and please make sure you subscribe so you got to follow us as we progress. If you want to know how to read and write English basically and every other subject, please, this is where you ought to be. All right, so let's progress now. So I can possibly add MA, and it's a word already. This is 4-letter word, but if we have to make use of, if you have to pronounce it in twos, like 2 combination, this is ma and this is ba. So if you have BAMA, that is ba ma, which is put together bama. Okay, so again you can have say SA slash let's have GA. So for this one now, we know this as sa, sa, and this is GA, ga. Don't forget, I explained the fact that the 26 alphabets of English language are usually pronounced in 2 forms, if not all, most of them. For instance, this is G. The G is either pronounced as G or G. You can find this as G in some words, and in some words it's going to appear as G. Okay, for example, you have gist, the G, and say girl, the G sound. So let's proceed. We have SA and we have GA. This is sa and this is ga. So sa and ga is going to give us a word which is saga, saga, saga. All right, so we can take one again. Say we have okay, let's try BA again. This is BA, and let's add NA and NA again, which is what? This is BA, which is the ba sound we know. This is NA, the na, and this is NA, the na. Like I said, this N now is pronounced in 2 forms. The N and the ni sound, okay? Just get it right. It's very important. You need to go back to our previous classes if you're just joining us for the first time. So let's proceed. So we have banana, banana put together. This is banana, okay? I don't know if you're getting the gist right now. So let's do one again. We have DA, and we can possibly add TA. So we have here right now, this is DA, which is the da, and this is TA, which is ta. So we can add this up and it's going to give us data. I made mention again that this is A. A could be pronounced in 2 forms. It could be as A and A. Okay, so someone can say this is data, and someone can say this is data. The both pronunciation are correct because of the way the letters are pronounced. Okay, all right, so let's do another one, and we can have say PO, which we know as the po sound, and we can have LE. Take note of R and L. They tend to confuse a bit sometimes. This is L, and this is, we have R. So this is li, and we have ri, li, ri. Okay, this is poly, and let's say we have TE, and this is gonna give us polite, like polite, being polite. Okay, so again we can say let's have okay, which we do, let's try this. Have PO, let's do this LI again, and add CE to it. What do we have? Police, police force. This is police, this is polite. Are we getting it? So it's as simple as this. Again, we can say you can have, let's try this, SO, KO, TO. Let's pronounce it. This is so, this is ko, this is to, so, ko, to. Put together is Sokoto, like a state in Nigeria. Okay, so this is Sokoto. And again we can do let's do TO slash MA slash TO. Let's try it. This is TO, this is MA, and this is TO. Put together is what? Tomato. So we say this is tomatoes, tomato. Okay, are we good with this? So let's do one again. Let's do a lengthy one, like a word that is a little bit lengthy. Let's try MA, which we know as ma, NI, which we know as ni, PU, which we know as what? Pu, LA, which is known as what? Le, and the TE, which we know as T. Okay, so this is what? Ma, ni, pu, le, ti. Manipulate, put together. It is what? Manipulate. So you can see that virtually all the words you can think of, you can write in English language, is gotten from the 26 alphabets of English language. No addition, no deduction. So we can still do more of this, but we're trying to make this class as brief as we can. We don't want the video to be so lengthy. Okay, so but let's try one more again. So what should we do? Which one should we do right now? Let's do, okay, let's try C. This is CO, double CO, yeah, and NUT is not. If you've been following us, you should know that we made mention of the fact that certain English language, certain words in English are usually pronounced in similar form, but the meanings are different, the spellings are different too. Yeah, just like you can see, this is not, and we have another not that is NOT. Okay, this not is basically the nut we chew, like we have groundnuts, cashew nuts, the nuts that we normally eat, those grain that is in nut form. Then the other nut is in form of, it is this, it is not this. Okay, it is this or it's not this. You get it? So that is us. So let's try this one. We have co, and we have nuts. This is coconut. All right, this is seed. Basically this nut is for seed. So we have coconut, All right, so we have been able to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for this. So let's try the 3 initials, the words that normally start with 3 initials. So for example, let's start with B-A-N. Right here we have this as ba, but now N is added to it. It's now ban, like ban, 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 ban. Okay, it's no longer the ba we know. That is it. So we can add 1 letter to this and it gives us a word. We can add 2 and it gives us a word still. We can add 3, it still gives us a word. Okay, so note the fact that every English word has a prefix, which is initial. Okay, they are usually either 2, 3. Okay, in rare occasion you have 4. So let's work accordingly. That this is band now, and I'm adding D. It is what now? Band. Just that. This is D on its own. This is band D, definitely. Okay, and we can have okay, let's have CA. If we had M, okay, this used to be car when it was 2. That's what we didn't do that here. This is CA, this is car. Now we have M to it. It is no longer car, it's not come, like come. Okay, come. If I choose to put say PO here, PU, PUX, this is campus. This is pu, then S is pus. This is campus. And again, you can have this cam, just add P, it becomes camp. Are we getting it to this point? So this is the initial, like I said, these are the initial, the prefix. These are initials as well. These ones start with 2, and these ones are starting with 3. That is basically what we are doing here today. So this is band, this is campus, campus. You can see that these 3 is together and this 3 is together as well. This 3 is together, this 1 is alone. Campus. Okay, so let's try another one. Maybe we can do okay, let's do B-A-N. Let's add D-I-T. This is bandit. This D-I is D on its own. D, that is the I. With T, dit, bandit. Okay, so we can have a lot of these. All right, now we are able to get 10 for this side. So I would like for us to get at least 5 here to make up 15 word that we formed today for this very class. Right now, let's do one more to make it at least 5. Yeah. Okay, let's try M-A-N, then Geo. As we all know, we made mention of this as ma. These 2. When we now add N, it becomes man. This 3 alone on its own is a word. It's a 3-letter word, a meaningful one. Yeah. This equally is a word, a meaningful one. Yeah. This is a ban. This is a man. Okay. And we have geo, which is go. So this put together is giving us mango. Mango, the fruits we know. Okay, so this is this 5. Should we add one more again? Maybe we should add one again, or should we put it? All right, so let's leave to this point. This is your turn to do your own. Add 5 extra here to make it up 20. This is what we have today. And thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye for now.